Hi there. Now let me teach you how to fix that Omegle I'm not a robot error. First, open your Safari and go to Omegle. Make sure you're accessing the desktop site. How to do that? Just search for Omegle and then click here on the search tab, and you should look for website settings. Once here, I want you to click on request desktop website so we can fully have that full feature of Omegle. Now from here, I want you to go again and click that website settings. From here, I want you to allow your camera and microphone, as I'm doing right now. They're allowed. Perfect. Now from here, let's check on our cookies. How to do that? Go on settings. Let me go back to the landing page of settings. So this is what settings should look like. And I want you to look for Safari. And there you go, there's Safari. From here, I want you to look for cookies. It should be right here. It says block all cookies. Currently, it's disabled. I want to make sure that your end is also disabled. We don't want to block any cookies from any website that could hinder or stop our process on accessing an website. So make sure this is toggled off. It's not toggled on, okay? And then, next step I want you to click is this one. Clear history and data. It's just gonna clear all of our browsing history, our cookies, our cache from all of our browsing data. So technically it's just a clean slate. Now, once you finish all of this, I assure you that error I'm not a robot is not showing anymore. I assure you that your Omegle should work properly from now on. However, let's just say it's not working. I want you to try this one last option. Go to App Store and just install any VPN that you find here. So technically we're just changing our IP address. Maybe Omegle server is blocking our IP address as of now. So just install any VPN here, then just change your IP location. That should change your IP address. That should fix your problem. And that's how you fix Omegle I'm not a robot error. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.